Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm just gonna show you how I season my oxtail for cooking. So I've got my seasonings pre-prepared. So in here, I've got 2 salad tomatoes, I've got 2 pegs of garlic, half an onion, 8 pimento seeds that I've already crushed, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. You can do that to taste. I've got the tutorial of how to prepare these, so I'll link that below. And here I've got my oxtail in the bowl. Pretty much the only thing that you'll need to adapt is like the amount of salt, pepper and stuff like that that you use, depending on how much you have, and obviously your dietary requirements, etc. As you know, I remind you of all of this before I do my videos. So to start, I'm just going to put in all of these seasonings, core ones. I have on my gloves because working with Scotch bonnet pepper is no joke. And then first I'm just gonna get these all incorporated into the meat so it can start marinating. So just breaking up the onions because they stuck together. So what? I'm going to use my hands. Okay, so that's mixed in enough now. Take off these gloves, dispose of those. So for my seasonings, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of salt. You don't have to do heaped teaspoons, you do levels teaspoons. Obviously, like I said, it's up to you the amount that you use, depending on how much meat you've got there, dietary requirements, so on. So I've added my 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'll do 1 teaspoon of all-purpose. Literally 1/4 teaspoon of paprika just to add to the flavour and depth of the meat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Pickapeppa Sauce, so that's this one. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of browning. If I could get the bottle open today, that'd be great. Ooh. Okay, so I think half of a tablespoon got poured in just now, so yeah. There you go, so that's your 2. So I'm just going to use my hands to mix this all together, and I'm going to add my butter beans to my seasonings, my meat. It's all mixed in now. I'm just going to add in my butter beans. I've got 1 tin here. I've literally washed it and drained it off, and then just put it in this bowl. So mix that all in, and then just leave it to soak in the marinade. Literally, you can leave it for as long as you want. If you want to prepare it in advance, put it in the freezer so that when you're cooking another day, you can just take it out and just get it in the pot and cook it. And that's up to you, but there you go. That's it done, and that's how I season my oxtail. I will be doing a video on how to cook the oxtail. At the moment, I've just done this tutorial on the seasoning. See you guys soon. Bye.